I'm Jensuya, this is Drummer Bob, and we're going to do a 5-minute belly dance workout focusing on the move that we call the hip drop. We're going to start slow by doing 1 hip drop per bar, then 2 per bar, and then every single one. But don't worry, I'm going to cue you to the changes. We're going to start right now in the pose that I call Iwa, which again you can check out in detail on the tutorial. Yalla Habibi, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Drop, 2, 3, lift. Drop, 2, 3, lift. Drop, 2, 3, lift. Drop, 2, 3, lift. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's do it 2 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a lot of work. All of my weight, 1, 2, 3, 4, is on my supporting leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chest lifted. 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it. Single beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2. Seriously working. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's take 4 beats to shift to the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Drop, 2, 3, lift. Drop, 2, 3, lift. Drop, 2, 3, lift. Drop, 2, 3, lift. Doom, doom, tek a tek, doom, tek a tek. Doom, doom, tek a tek, doom, tek a tek. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Getting ready to do 2 drops per bar. 1, 2, 3, 4. Drop on 1, drop on 3. Drop on 1, drop on 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Drop, lift, drop, lift. 1, 2, 3, 4. Drop, lift, drop, lift. All my weight is on the supporting leg, keeping that knee bent. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now in single beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's switch again to the other side, taking 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We can take our arms down. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have my arms curved, chest lifted, knee bent. The drops on the beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Doom, doom, tek a tek, doom, tek a tek. Doom, tek, doom, tek. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's switch to the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chest lifted, knee bent. Serious workout because you're also working your balance here with a bent leg. 1, 2, 3. Here's a fun variation. We're going to take 4 beats to move both arms to over our head. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it up here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now take them down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it here. Now take them to the basic. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's switch to the other side. Taking 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Let's do our arms again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 beats to the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. Holding them here. 1. Here's a fun variation. I'm going to take one arm down, the same one that's supporting, the other one as if I had a little visor. It's a classic move. 1, 2, in 2 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now to the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Arms in the classic position. 1. We're going to count down 4 bars. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 3, 4. 4, 2, 3, and 4. Mabruk, congratulations. You're on your way to becoming an awesome belly dancer. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure that you get every one of our videos. And for sure, check out our playlist on new to belly dance, start here, and lots more workouts. We'll see you on the next video. La, la, la.